Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and today I have some exciting news of announcing a new sponsorship with Weld Racing, a local Kansas City company. Super excited with this partnership. We're going to be installing their new Cinch wheels in gloss black. These are the beadlock appearance wheels. We're going to head out there today and get a tour of their facility where they produce these wheels locally right here in Missouri. All right, let's get going. Brad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Entering the lobby, we saw an awesome display of wheels, along with the owner's Tesla Roadster Sport, a very rare first production car from Tesla, and it just had new batteries installed.
Weld Racing is based out of Kansas City and has been known for years in the drag industry and street racing, but they've also gotten into off-road wheels as well, offering true beadlock rims. Founded in 1967 by Greg Weld, focused on producing the best produced wheels to win when racing.
Weld Racing Wheels is part of MW Company, which produces and carries a large selection of wheels for all types of racing, including CCW, ADV1, Driven Motorsport, Forge Star, Momo, Hyper, and Reds. All the forged wheels are produced here and start out as blank solid wheels. The material is cut away and deburred to produce the finished wheel you see. All wheels are road tested on this special machine for perfect balance and design strength before being boxed up and stocked in the warehouse. When new wheels are designed, they are tested for side impact with this special machine simulating hitting a curb at high speed to test their durability, a testament to their ultimate research and development for the best performance.
So Brad, I know your Delta is your flagship wheel. Is this the most expensive wheel you guys produce?
This is the most expensive wheel we produce here in Kansas City. It's the Delta One. It's for the top fuel drag racers like John Force.
That is awesome. It's so cool. And it's so light too. You won't believe how light this thing is.
They come in right about 16.8 pounds.
And how much does this wheel cost?
This wheel will be $44.77 each.
Wow. So Brad, what's your most popular wheel?
So our most popular wheel, it actually comes down between two. It would be either the S71, which is the classic 5-spoke wheel that everybody loves, especially all the hot rod guys. The second would be the S77. It just gives you a little bit more than just the 5-spoke. These would be our two most popular wheels that we currently sell.
Okay, given that classic look.
Yes, for sure.
Largest and most obnoxious. This would be it?
And this would probably be it. It's highlighted yellow. It's a very bright color, you can see. But it'd be with our Ford Star line that you can do all different colors. Tiffany blue, pink, highlighted yellow. You can just pretty much do whatever color you want with that and just catch everybody's attention.
Sweet. So with the Cinch beadlock appearance and beadlock wheels, are there any specific lug nuts you should be using with those?
Yep, so with those, you would use a conical lug nut or acorn style 60 degree, which a lot of vehicles now use those.
So I want to thank Juan and Brad at MW Company here for showing us around Weld Racing and their production facility. And thank you again for your sponsorship opportunity. This is really incredible. Brad, thanks again for your time on showing us around as well. And if people want to follow you guys, your adventures, new wheels, anything that you're posting on social media, where can they follow you at?
So it'll be Weld Wheels on all platforms, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. Same with Forge Star, ADV1, CCW wheel.
Awesome. Thanks for your time. I'm super excited to be teaming up with Weld Racing to show you guys their new Cinch off-road wheels. The rims we're putting on today are beadlock lookalikes. Didn't quite want to shell out the cash for the true beadlocks, but they do provide some of the highest quality rims that you can buy, and I'm pumped to get these on the truck. Oh yeah. Wow. Super light too. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Looks like it also comes with new hub spacers as well.
These Cinch wheels are 17 by 9 inch with a 6 by 135 bolt pattern, 0-degree offset and 5-inch back spacing, and a load rating of 2,200 pounds. They are flow form aluminum that is rotary formed, starting at $220 each. I mounted up our Weld wheels to 35-inch by 12.5-inch Toyo Open Country AT3W tires, giving it an aggressive all-terrain appearance on our F-150. Perfectly paired with our BDS suspension, 3-inch lift kit, and Fox Performance Elite coilovers, this truck is ready for anything we throw at it.
This is part of my bigger series, upgrading my F-150 to 35-inch tires and everything that goes along with it, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow along. I'm posting the product links I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out.